Be checking the local variable and global variable in goLang. How to define a local and global. So if you have watched my previous video, so anything which I am defining locally within the function, so if this is the function, I am defining something within the function, this will be called local variable. Now local variable will not be accessible outside. So if I have defined e here, and if I'll try to print it somewhere else, then I cannot do that because local variable scope is limited to that function. Similarly, like for example here Z I have defined, but if I'll try to print Z outside this function, then Z will not be available. Okay, so how to define a global variable? So you can define a global variable outside the function. Okay, so for example here you can define global var of type integer. Okay, and you can just use it. Maybe I'll use it here. Global variable e plus d. Now this is the e and d of a type integer, so that's why and this is also of type integer, so it can be easily typecasted. And here I can print fmt dot println global var okay. So this is accessible here. So anything which is defined globally will be accessible to all the methods. Okay, so let's save it and let's print it. You can see global var, this is printed, global dash var, global dash global var values. So that is the concept of local and global variable. If you want some variable to be available in all the functions, and then you can define a global variable. But if you are not using it outside the function, then please define the local variable itself. Okay, so that's the concept of local and global variable in the goLang. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.